So we woke up, got our bags ready and went to Chinatown. And we went to a nice restaurant to get some lunch. We're gonna go to Chinatown to see what there is for lunch. I'm never gonna be able to look here again.
I like that loosely. I got steamed beef dumplings, he got plain bolognese. It smells delicious.
Authentic tea.
Is that for both you and
Do
me?
you want the sauce starter?
He probably won't have it.
Careful.
Just pop it down there.
We're bowing with it today. I guess that's Japanese.
And then we walked back and looked at some shops, and when we got back at the Airbnb, we got all of our bags that were left there and got into a taxi.
I did a video on the history of China and Dad who was walking with someone.
The taxi took us to the airport, but our flight was delayed by an hour. Once we got on our flight, we went to London Heathrow.
Yeah, I'll get rid of them, yeah. We've
landed, we got off and had to go through security again and waited for our next flight. Our flight was delayed again because someone couldn't get off the plane. So, but once we got on the flight, it was an hour to Newcastle Airport.
Falling so promptly. I know it's been a bit of a delay up there. The aircraft unfortunately came in from Munich with, not unfortunately, it came in from Munich with some passengers that needed assistance to get them on. The unfortunate thing was the assistant wasn't here.
We got a taxi back and we got back at 5 in the evening.
Now, why would you like?
Subscribe.
And a like for more.